the buzz cut might be worth considering if you're looking for a new haircut as summer has arrived. It's a low-maintenance style that is simple to maintain and can give you a fresh new look. But they're not for everyone. Many guys get them wrong because it takes finesse to pull off a buzz cut, and it can make you look like a completely different person. With round faces might not be the ideal candidates for buzz cuts. This is due to the fact that a buzz cut can emphasize how round your face is, making it look even heavier. This is because a buzz cut's short length can highlight the round form of the head. Therefore, it is crucial to take your face shape into account to ensure that it will complement your features and improve your overall appearance. Buzz cuts actually elevate other aspects of your appearance as well. By keeping your hair short and tidy, a buzz cut can highlight other features like jewelry, tattoos, or facial hair. While a buzz cut may not be the right choice for everyone, there are some features that go well with it. For example, if you have thicker, darker eyebrows, they can really elevate the buzz look. Additionally, some beards go well with a buzz cut. In essence, a buzz cut acts as a canvas upon which you can showcase other elements of your personal style. Let's talk about dyed buzz cuts. Although many guys may not find them attractive, if you can pull it off, it looks very dashing. However, to pull something like this off, you need the right vibe and aesthetic. Otherwise, you'll come across as a lunatic. Therefore, before attempting a dyed buzz cut, consider your personality and general appearance. If you're used to having longer hair, a buzz cut might make you seem completely different, which can be shocking. It is preferable to get a shorter haircut or attempt a new style if you are not ready for such a radical change. Last but not least, there are numerous ways to rock a buzz cut and a buzz cut fades. Fades, in my opinion, are unquestionably the trendier and more attractive style. Finally, keep in mind the advice given and remember that a buzz cut requires skill to execute and may not be ideal for everyone if you're considering getting one.